sustainability for me means the possibility to upcycle things, to don't close in a way, but to continue it and to make it go further. So there's making a cycle out of it. So don't close. So not could be a product, could be a land, could be a tree. Also the process of make it sustainable. It's a process of upcycle it somehow.
And it's becoming also a philosophy now. It's like you're actually, in a way, thinking your entire life as sustainable as well.
Exactly. So yeah, and it's like the possibility to, from a bottle of glass, you give it after you have used it to another use to be again. I'll have to explain. Reuse, to make it again a new product out of the material. So it's about actually the material, it's not about the product. So if you recycle a bottle of plastic, it probably will not be another bottle, will be actually put something else. Or the paper could be other type of paper.
Yeah, it should be natural. There should not be this kind of questions, because it's logical that we should recycle everything. It's not, we are in a society of consumerism and alright, but recycling should be natural and not really an issue.
We recycle a few centuries ago. The people use the materials and even the animals and the clothes, and so when you make one process, it's like you use the entire structure. And now we just consume and we trash away. But it's like we go back to the ancient process of reusing materials. To what?
What?
You design the cycle of life of a product, basically. Yeah. So you're already thinking the end of the cycle of life.
I would say that this cradle to cradle expression, if I am understanding it well, it's like it's not only about recycling it, it's also about recycling what has been recycling just before. It's more like a global process and not only a process with an end into it. And so it's more global.
Yeah. So when you talk about recycle, you are recycle something that has an end.
Yeah. Exactly.
And when the first and this model that you told me, it doesn't have an end.
Yeah.
So it's a big difference. It's the same thing, but one was designed to be an end, and the other one doesn't have an end at all. So that's why it's an economical model, because it auto runs for itself somehow.